With intelligent design, Mitech hardness tester can test the hardness of metals easily and quickly on the site. The measurement principle of the LEAP hardness tester is that an impact body of a certain weight impacts against the testing surface under certain test force. The hardness value is calculated by the ratio of the rebound speed and the impact velocity at 1 mm from the specimen surface. With a powerful function and a convenient operation, it can immediately display the hardness value. Freely convert the measured LEAP hardness value into Rockwell, Brinell, and other hardness scales. It will alarm automatically once the hardness value exceeding the preset values for upper or lower limits. Mitech series hardness testers with low power consumption, large memory, stable and reliable performance, supporting for printing on-site. It is widely used for quality control for annealing, tempering, and quenching heat-treated parts. Hardness testing for machine tool guide and automobile chassis. Also for large parts and non-removable parts on spot. Quality testing for the hardware, forging, machine tools, and special steels, as well as quality controlling for the mass production process and so on. Mitech hardness tester include MH660, MH600, MH320, MH310, MH100, MH180, can meet various needs of customers in different industries. MH660 portable lead hardness tester is the latest upgraded product which pay more attention to the user's experience and function innovation. Adopts with 320 x 340 colorful CD screen. It can show the testing results clearly even under the dim light or strong sunlight, which greatly enhance the visual experience. With sealed metal case delicate design, it has smaller volume and better quality. MH660 is specially designed for resisting the LU and dust in harsh environment. During testing, the instrument can automatically identify the probe direction, support for Bluetooth printing as well as freely switch among multi-languages. With original multi-point calibration function, it can do multi-point calibration for convert curve to reduce measurement error. MH600 designed with color LCD display, it can clearly show the testing results even under the dim light and strong sunlight. With IP65 production degree, it can automatically identify the probe type and measuring direction. Effectively solve the problem of needing adjust the direction several times in high altitude field testing, greatly improve the testing efficiency. With USB port, it can connect it to the computer for data analyzing to achieve mass storage. Support multi-language interface free to switch. Manual style operation, powerful function. MH100 Pocket integrated hardness tester, also known as pen-type hardness tester, which has high precision but with a small size. The realization of function for all circuit parts integrated in a chip. Its performance is stable and reliable. Low power consumption design, built-in rechargeable lithium battery. It has longer standby, above a few months. Equipped with USB port, both for charging and data transmission. The interface is simple. MTL means to change the measured materials type by switching the number. Here is the hardness scales. Press the F1 key to switch and set the parameter to which you need. F2 key is used for realizing the specific settings for parameters. Here is power on-off key. MH320 with full English manual operation. It has printing function on site. The instrument has integrated with the terminal high-speed printer, easy for operation on site. Compared with the traditional needle printer, the terminal printer has lower power consumption, longer data storage, and so on. With high reliability, capable of resisting the interference of static electricity, vibration, shock, and electromagnetism. It is suitable for operating under harsh environment. Adopts with high contrast segment LCD. MH310 shows clearly stable performance. Integrated one-piece high-speed thermal printer, which can print the measurement results on site. MH180, the economic and the practical mode, is equipped with two AA batteries for power supply and segment LCD. Have power-saving functions such as automatic sleep, automatic shutdown, and so on. High quality with a competitive price, MH180 can meet the user's basic needs for hardness testing. All products of Mitech are standard with high-quality D-type impact device. The fragile interface parts use the one casting process, strong and durable. Compared with other similar products, it greatly reduces the failure rate, effectively extends the service life. This device, used for hardness tester collect data, has a variety of expressions. Impact device, prop, sensor, test head, all of them refer to this part. Let's introduce the application of Mitech hardness tester in details with real product. Pay attention to following points during using portable hardness tester. Two thin specimens cannot be accurately measured. In general situation, the specimen weight should be more than 0.5 kg. The measured thickness should be more than 0.5 centimeters. The specimen surface roughness cannot be greater than 1.6 microns. The specimen surface with oil and dust need to be cleared. At the same time, ensure the surrounding environment without interference of strong vibration and strong magnetic, which is the basic measurement conditions for portable hardness tester. Before the measurement, choose the appropriate prop according to the shape of the measured workpiece and site conditions. We have a variety of special shaped props for option. D-type prop, the conventional prop, it is the standard configuration used for normal measurement. Except for D prop, the other props are optional configuration. DC type prop for testing whole or hollow cylindrical. DL type prop for testing cylinder narrow groove or hole. D+15 type prop with small and lengthened contact surface, suitable for measuring groove or concave surface. G-type prop used to measure large, heavy, and rough surface of the casting and forging. C-type prop with smaller impact, it has less damage for the measured surface and not damage the hardened layer. Suitable for measuring small, thin workpiece and surface hardened layer, shown as figure. Assume that the red part is hardened layer after hardening. All in 0.3 mm, but for use with the conventional D-type prop. The depth for the ball hitting the workpiece surface is 0.8 mm, so the D-type prop can't measure the hardness of the hardened layer. Many hardened layers' thickness is less than 0.8 mm, and the measured parts are thickness of the hardened and non-hardened layers. If the C-type prop is not selected correctly, we will not able to get the hardness value of the hardened layer. After selecting the appropriate prop, let's prepare the measurement. First, connect the prop, then power on. Please note it, for the model except the MH660, MH600. Make sure replace the prop under power off. Otherwise, the instrument can't identify the correct prop type, which will cause the measurement incorrect. MH660, MH600 intelligent hardness testers with prop self-testing function after power on, while other models only can identify the prop during power on process. Before measurement, make calibration to instrument. Frequently used calibrated instruments can also omit this step. MH660, MH600 with the function of basic calibration, single-point calibration, and original multi-point calibration. They can realize multi-point calibration for convert curve to reduce measurement error. The calibration method for each model is little different. Please refer to the manual to master the calibration method. Make sure to set correct measurement condition parameters before measuring. For example, press the material key to select the correct tested material. When the measured material and the parameter inconsistent, it can't get accurate measurement value. Press the hardness key to select the required hardness scale. After setting the parameters correctly, start the measurement. First, push down the loader to lock the impact body. Please note that the prop should be titled, then loading to avoid damaging the upper spring of the prop when loading down to prop forcibly. Then position the impact device. Press the support ring of the impact device on the sample surface tightly. With the selected measurement direction, the impact direction should be vertical to the measurement surface. Please note that if the position of the probe is unstable or the probe is not pressed firmly on the measurement surface, it will directly affect the measurement results. In order to achieve more accurate measurements, Mitech have 12 types of special support rings for selection. They are suitable for specimens with different shapes and different curvature, which located more compactly. Please refer to Table 4 in the manual to select the suitable accessories after positioning correctly. Press the release button on the top of the probe for measurement. The measurement process requires that the test piece, the impact device, the operator are stable. In order to get a more accurate value, the measurement can be repeated several times. The instrument can automatically calculate the average value. The average times can be set by the menu. Under the dark light, press the backlight button to open the screen EL backlight. When the backlight is turned on, the power consumption of the instrument will increase. So for saving the electricity, please turn off the backlight if not necessary. After the measurement, the value can be printed and preserved on spot. Also can be stored and analyzed by connecting with PC. The test value can be converted to a variety of hardness scales according to demand. The daily maintenance of the instrument should keep away from vibration, strong magnetic field, and corrosive media. If it's not used for a long time, be sure to remove the battery to avoid battery leakage. If rechargeable batteries isn't used for a long time, the battery will be completely ineffective caused by running out of power. So even if not used, the battery should be also charged regularly to avoid damage. For the catheter wall of the impacting device, please do regularly clean up by using nylon brush. When cleaning up the catheter, first screw off the supporting ring, take out the impact body, screw the nylon brush with the counterclockwise into the tube, pull out at the end of bottom. Repeat these operating times. After cleaning up, install the impacting body and the support ring. When the instrument is abnormal, you can try to restore the factory setting by pressing the delete key and the start key at the same time. Please do not disassemble the instrument by yourself. In case of any failure, contact our company in time. The hotline 4000-600-280. Mitech hardness tester includes the following standard accessories: main unit, D-type probe, standard D-type hardness test block, nylon brush A, small support ring, AA size alkaline batteries, attached files, ABS instrument case, data processing software, and USB communication cable. Optional configuration includes nylon brush B, a variety of probes and a variety of support rings, instrument packages, and so on. It is worth mentioning that the Table 1 of Mitech Hardness Tester Manual lists the detailed measurement range. Show as table, use D or DC probe to measure the HRC Rockwell value of stew and cast stew. The measuring range of D or DC probe for stew and cast stew is 14.9 to 68.5 HRC. The measuring range of C probe to alloy tool steel in HRC scales is 20.7 to 68.2. Please refer to the table for the corresponding hardness units, corresponding materials, and probe range. For example, if measuring the HRC value of stew and cast stew with G-type probe, it won't work because of table related is blank. According to relevant international standards, there is not a specific set of the scope. Thus, that's normal phenomenon. Mitech Probador Leap Hardness Tester excellent test performance leads to high precision test results. Compared with desktop hardness tester, portable hardness tester is not restricted by the size and shape of the test pieces. In full compliance with national industry standards, we have passed the European Union CE certification, Russia COST certification, and other international certifications. They are the best choice worthy of your trust. Mitech is committed to providing the highest quality products and the most satisfying service. For further information, please contact our regional agent or visit our website Mitech sincerely hope to cooperate with you and build a better future together.